to tell you something about Zarfund, a recent program which I've gone through, and I have investigated each and every point of this thing. I'm into detailed study of this thing. You can make anything, any questions be cleared by me. This is my number which I have displayed on this slide. You can get me on anywhere. I am there to help you 24 by 7, and my whole team is working such great excitement with them that we are going to make some huge money. I have created some results for myself as well, which I'll be showing you in some other video or something like that. But this video is totally dedicated on Zarfund to make you understand what Zarfund is and what the basic concept of this program is. You can also Google out on two topics, that is Bitcoin and crowdfunding. What is Bitcoin? Just make yourself learn this thing. And what is crowdfunding? Just have an idea of it and go through this presentation. You will be more clear with what you have to do and what you can achieve. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As I have just given you the name of the website, that is zarfund.com. Here the wealth is just more than predictable, and this is a website which is secured with HTTPS certificate. Owner of Zarfund is Heinz Jordan. You can just search him on Facebook and gather more information, whatever you want to know about him. He has been an online marketer for last 7 or 8 years, and he's from South Africa. Just click on Facebook, search him on, and then gather as much as information you want to know about him. Change your future in just 60 days or even less. My experience and what I have predicted for myself is, if you are just working seriously on this website just for 10 or 20 days of your life, then I'm 100% sure that this will be on an autopilot mode and you would not have to go back and work on this thing, because your income would be just pouring into your wallet on autopilot mode, which I have experienced personally, and I have an aim to get that done for many of my members who are in my team. Okay friends, everyone starts over here. Let's suppose this is you. You start your journey by donating just 0.03 Bitcoin to your immediate upline. This is the donation we are paying direct to the member who has introduced us into this amazing system. And remember one thing, we are not paying any company or website. They don't even have any fees for this transaction made between the members. Now my dear friend, this is a way which I have just shown you how we are getting increased level by level. That is how the stages move from stage 1 to stage 6. I'll be explaining you in more detailed manner in the next sheet. Now here you can see that we are joining a 2 by 6 force matrix. Force matrix means that if you're joining a team, you can only have 2 referrals under you, that is directly to you. Whomsoever you are going to refer other than those 2 people are going to get a spillover to your downlines. So in the same way, we also get some spillovers and we provide some spillovers to our referrals. Over here I have depicted this thing. On the leftmost corner you can see that we the number of donation or the amount of donation which we are giving out, and then on the right hand side I have given you how much donation we are able to receive or what we are eligible to get. So on stage 1, as you can read it out, stage 1 we have entered with 0.03 Bitcoin, that comes out to be approximate value of $18, and we are eligible to get a donation of $36 from 2 of our direct referrals. Then at stage 2, when you are going to upgrade to stage 2, you are going to pay your level 2 sponsor with 0.05 BTC. That value right now is approximately $30, and you are eligible to receive then 4 donations from your second level referrals. That comes out to be $120. So you can read this chart and just have the knowledge about what is the power of this 2 by 6 matrix. Explaining this to you once again just by taking your own example. Let us suppose this is you. You were invited by your level 1 upline. So now to become active on level 1, you donate 0.03 Bitcoin to your level 1 upline. Now that you have made your donation and you are active on level 1, you can receive 0.03 Bitcoin per month from the two people you have invited, or maybe you have got it from spillovers from the uplines. We know over here you just need to invite two more people into your matrix. So your level 1 is full. What now? As a leader, you can motivate and coach your downlines, help them to invite their two people. Keep on inviting people to Zaafund, because even if you are inviting people, they will be sent on to your downlines as their spillovers, and you don't have to stop for that, because helping your people would ultimately help you. Make it a team effort. Keep your team with you always. And the most important thing is, remember to upgrade, because without upgrading you will not be able to receive the donations from that particular level. So once you receive your two donations from first level of 0.03 bitcoins, you can and you must step up to level 2 by donating 0.05 bitcoin to your level 2 upline. Now that you are active on level 2, you will be receiving 0.05 bitcoin per month from the 4 people in your level 2 downlines. Once you receive your first two donations from level 2, that is for 0.05 BTC, you can afford and you may upgrade to the third level by donating 0.1 BTC to your third level upline, so that you are also eligible to receive that 0.1 BTC from your third level downlines. Once you receive your first two donation of 0.1 BTC, you can step up to level 4 by donating 0.2 BTC to your level 4 upline. Now that you are active on level 4, you can receive 0.2 BTC per month from the 16 people in your level 4 downline. So once you receive your first 5 donations of 0.2 Bitcoin from your 4th level, you can easily upgrade yourself to level 5 by just donating 1 Bitcoin to your level 5 upline. And now the game has gone very big. Now as you are active on level 5, you will be receiving 1 Bitcoin per month from the 32 people in your level 5. That is, you will be able to receive 32 Bitcoins from your level 5 downlines, that too per month. Upgrading to your 6th level is going to be very easy, because as you receive your first two donations of 1 BTC from your level 5, you can step up to level 6 by donating 2 BTC to your level 6th upline. Okay, so now that you are on 6th level, you can now receive 2 BTC per month from 64 people in your level 6 downline. That means 128 Bitcoins. But to reach this level, you have to be a good leader. You have to be helping people selflessly, because only after that you will be reaching this level. I'm 100% sure that I will be reaching this level very soon with all my downlines on that level. Just answer yourself. What would you do if the money wasn't a problem? Can you think receiving of 164.26 BTC? Can you think, or could you say that it will be changing your life starting with only 0.03 Bitcoin, just $20? If you're waiting, keep waiting. I'll still be earning. We will still be earning. The whole team is earning well. They can help you. We are here to help you if you need our help. Even if you are newbie, we are going to help you start from the scratch. If you're a leader, we are definitely inviting you to get into us. get your earnings on. Whatever help you need, we will be there to provide you.